Hello, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com. My favourite free app this week is Shimmer from Bleass. Shimmer is an AUV3 compatible reverb effect that is designed to offer stunning harmonics to a variety of sounds and instruments. Rich, lush, dreamy. The soundscapes and reverb tales you can create with Shimmer are nothing short of astonishing. If you're into creating laid-back ambient compositions, you will love this. Control-wise, Bleass have managed to keep things surprisingly simple with their signature minimal and easy-to-use interface. Shimmer is split into 6 customizable sections: the input stage, 2 pitch shifter stages, the reverb stage, ducker stage, and mix stage. Diving in and getting your hands dirty is a great way to get a feel for how each of these sections colour your sound. Bleass have also thrown in over 30 presets with Shimmer that range from more reserved and low-key effects to full-blown sonic black holes. If ambient soundscapes are your thing, then it doesn't get much better than Shimmer. Yes, there are other exceptional reverb apps available on the App Store, but Shimmer packs in enough unique features to really set itself apart from the rest of the pack. I'd highly recommend giving it a download, diving in, and allowing yourself to get lost in its endless shimmery lushness. Bleass's Shimmer app is available on iPad and iPhone from the App Store for $6.99. I'm giving 2 of you lovely GarageBand Guide viewers the chance to get your hands on a free copy of BLEASS's Shimmer app. Head over to the GarageBand Guide Facebook page to throw your hat into the ring and potentially win a copy of this fantastic app. Links to Shimmer on the App Store and to the giveaway on Facebook are in the description below. I'll be back with another great app next week. In the meantime, let me know your favourite apps in the comments below. I've been Patrick from thegaragebandguide.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.